Sensational rookie from the Dallas Mavericks, Cooper Flagg suffered a left midfoot sprain against the Phoenix Suns this Tuesday night. So the foot, and especially the midfoot, is a very complex region of our anatomy. It makes up a bunch of small bones and stabilizing ligaments. The Lisfranc ligament is something that connects the second metatarsal bone, seen right here, to that medial cuneiform. Now it plays a huge role in maintaining the arch of the foot, transferring force during push-off, as well as providing stability for cutting and explosive movements. How does this type of injury happen for Lisfranc injury or a midfoot sprain? Now we see from this image here, we see that the foot is in a kind of odd plantar flex position where the toes are pointed down. Typically this occurs when that foot is forcefully loaded while twist or bent, especially during like an acceleration, a cutting, or being fallen on while the foot is planted. So this kind of demonstrates that mechanism of injury for maybe that Lisfranc injury. As you can see from the dotted line, that is where the second metatarsal should be placed. However, due to the force that is going through the entire foot complex, it is forcing that second metatarsal to push outwards, leading to that overstretching or tearing of that Lisfranc ligament that helps support the second metatarsal to the medial cuneiform bone. And what does this mean for Cooper Flagg, and what does his recovery look like? So for mild midfoot sprains, maybe a grade 1, the ligaments stretch without tearing. Typically the return to play is about 2 to 4 weeks for these less severe sprains. Maybe something more in the middle for a more moderate midfoot sprain, more grade 2. This is more of a partial ligament tear, and there potentially could be a period of immobilization following rehab. For Cooper Flagg, and with the MRI just completed, assuming that the imaging ruled out that instability and the fracture, this likely falls into more of that mild to moderate range with a strong emphasis of restoring that midfoot strength, the gradual return to cutting and jumping and preventing any re-injury, which is common if rushed.